Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you to test and replace the door latch on this LG dishwasher. We need a Phillips screwdriver and a multimeter. Let's get started. The most common thing when the door latch fails is the dishwasher won't think that the door is closed and the dishwasher won't start. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the dishwasher. With the door open, remove the 2 Phillips screws holding the dishwasher to the counter. On ours, they're located on the top. Depending on how the power and water line are connected, you may need to disconnect them from the dishwasher before pulling the dishwasher out. Ours has enough slack in the lines to where we can gently slide the dishwasher out of the opening a few inches without having to disconnect anything. Now, peel back the plastic cover and disconnect the 2 electrical connectors on the latch. Next, using a multimeter on the continuity setting, touch 1 probe on each terminal of the switch. With the door closed, both switches should have continuity, and with the door open, neither should have continuity. If your test results are different, your part is bad and will need to be replaced. To replace the door latch, remove these 2 Phillips screws on the inside of the tub. Now, grasp both sides of the latch and wiggle it out to remove. If you have a bad door latch and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you get the correct part. This part has been redesigned by the manufacturer, so it may look different than the original one in your dishwasher. To install the latch, tilt the latch at an angle to allow clearance for the striker and insert it through the opening. Then push the latch back in place. Next, reinstall the Phillips screws. Then, reconnect the electrical connectors. Next, apply the plastic cover by aligning the hole and pressing in place. Now, push the dishwasher back into its position within the opening and reinstall the 2 Phillips screws. With everything put back together, plug the dishwasher back in and test it out to make sure that everything's working properly. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.